Julia here, and today is just a regular vlog. I am here with my babies. He's doing virtual learning, and then I got my little man chilling in his playpen, and then Athena is chilling on the couch. The other girls are upstairs in their room doing their virtual learning, and then let's peek Alexa. She has guitar class, and she has a sandwich in the bed. She's been practicing with her guitar, and I guess she has like, they teach him notes first, and then she went to pick up her guitar, and she has to do the whole class on it, so it's pretty interesting. So we are currently trying to look, well, that's kind of like big news. We're currently trying to look for a new dining table and a sectional, because our sectional is pretty small, and obviously it's a lot of us, so we need kind of a bigger one, so when we have movie night we can all sit together and watch a movie, right? So that's gonna be like an update, and we're trying to maybe do fresh paint in the walls to make it, I kind of want to go for like a farm look. I already started little by little. We do have the TV stand, so we started little by little, and I am thinking of also updating the kids' bedroom, because they do have 2 twin beds there, but it's a little crowded, I think. Yeah, like I feel like it feels crowded in there, and they always complaining about that, so they do want to open up the room. So a lot of changes coming up soon, but I'm excited because I'm so tired. I think I'm just tired of the old look, that I am looking for something fresh, and with the new baby coming, so it's gonna look nicer. I don't know about carpet. I think the carpet, I'm just gonna change the area rug and my curtains. And look at these curtains. We gotta replace all of these. Like, it's just one, but I gotta replace them, because it seems like first it was Athena, now it was Avery, that they're so thin that they just pull them and break them. But anywho, I will take you along my little day throughout the day, through lunch and stuff, and show you how chaotic it is. This happens like 3,000 times a day. It comes in the gaming room and destroys everything. Everything is not in its proper place because this little boy messes everything up. Yeah. Or if not, it'll be the action figures, because Athena decides to play with them. Yeah. Excuse me. Excuse me. No. It's like, I don't care. I'm gonna keep on doing it. Have you guys ever tried pizza eggs? So I have to like cut the eggs, and the pizza, and fry it a little bit, and then do the eggs. I'm doing it for my hubby. I don't like them. I don't personally like them, but he says they're fire. You have to like fry these and make them a little bit crispy. And then we add the egg. So that's how it's looking. We never heard of this recipe until we watched Tim Tracker and Jen. They did it in one of their vlogs, and we tried it. Well, I tried it that time. I tried it with pepperoni pizza. This isn't the supreme one. And it actually tastes okay. It wasn't horrible, but it was just not my favorite. Yeah, that's how it looks. It's like a bunch of melted cheese with eggs and pizza dough. It actually smells pretty good. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Avery. Avery. Ben? Ben? Ben. Come here. Oh, he didn't want to. I don't think he feels confident yet. So it's late afternoon. So I'm making some spaghetti and some garlic bread for dinner. And then the kids are just relaxing and playing and eating candy because we went grocery shopping and they liked this like Mexican candy that's called cachetadas. I can show you guys the wrappers because that's pretty much all they left. They're called slaps. And it's like a really thin candy. And you get to roll it up into like a popsicle. See? Oh, I forgot to show you guys. We got a new fridge.
Oh, yeah.
It's a little dirty with little baby hands. Yeah. Are you trying to make potatoes? Okay. Okay. You enjoying your candy? So I got plastic plates at the store. So spaghetti, garlic bread, and some cheese that he can like sprinkle on top. Well, all the kids. Not all of them like cheese, so. Oh my god, he's so demanding. He eats spaghetti, and then we're giving him some jello. I don't know if you guys ever seen it, but there's like little jello in little bags. And he's like obsessed. Hold on. I can't even. Hold on. Well then. Mr. Avery's sleeping. And Athena's sleeping. Eventually she ends up going to my bed. And Miss Layla's finishing up studying, and after that she will go to bed. We have Zara here multitasking, doing homework slash, well, not homework, I guess just watching a video for school. And then we have Arya as well, and then they will go to sleep.
Don't ask why my hair is messy.
And Mason is just having bonding time with Dad, talking about comic books and Batman and whatnot. So that's it for today's video, guys. So please like, subscribe, and share. Oh my god, my baby hairs are crazy. Please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.